Things in my school bag. Essential supplies for kids. Welcome to Tiny Tutors TV. Let's take a look at the essential items every kid needs for a successful school day. Books. To read and learn new things. Notebook. To write and practice letters and numbers. Pencil. To write and draw neatly. Eraser. To erase mistakes and keep work clean. Sharpener. To make pencils sharp and ready for writing. Crayons. To color and make drawings beautiful. Lunchbox. To carry tasty food and stay healthy. Water bottle. To drink water and stay fresh all day. Ruler. To draw straight lines. Scissors. To cut paper and make crafts. Glue stick. To stick things together. File folder. To keep your schoolwork neat and tidy. Pen. To write clearly and neatly for assignments.